what's up? Well, oh my god, this isn't my side.
Are you for real making us trade?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be testing out 5-minute hacks.
Uh-oh.
Manny did this video, and I thought it was funny, so.
We're gonna be trying it out.
I don't know what we're doing right now.
Jazza.
We have a bunch of hacks. Now, 5-minute hacks is like really known for, I'm just gonna say it's like the dumbest hacks I've ever seen in my life. But at the same time, they really get like 25 million views, so I get why they're posting them.
Yeah.
It's almost like people just want to see how crazy they can get. You know what I mean?
Let's see how crazy.
So we're going to try a bunch of them out today. A lot of silly ones, but we're going to see if they actually work. And it's going to be really fun. First, we would love for you to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe! And let's jump right in. So for the first hack, what they did is took a dried out pencil liner and they set it in hot water, which we just so happen to have a glass of steaming hot water here.
It's hot.
It's really hot. And I have this Makeup Forever artist pencil. She's a little old, and I tested it out on my hand. She even looks kind of dried out. But I tested it out. Baby. She's just, you know.
Oh, God.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
She puts off a little ink, but I mean, it's dried out. Here we go. I'm just going to put her in. I'm going to leave her in for like a minute or two, and we'll be right back to see how well it works. All right, we have our liner. It should be ready now. So I guess I'm gonna dry it off a little bit. Okay, here I go. I'm gonna try it on your eye. Actually, this hack worked. Like this liner is like melting everywhere. Like this is like this is a whole new liner.
Laura, you couldn't make it look good? What in the world?
You feel it though. It's like melted.
Yes, I feel it.
Girl, you look so good.
Girl.
Actually, the first hack works really well. Here, I'll take it off.
You could have made it look better.
You don't wear eyeliner. I figured you didn't want it.
You put eyeliner on me sometimes.
All right, here we go.
God, stab my eye much?
All right, you're done. Okay, so guys, I would say the first hack works so well.
It was a win. You couldn't make me look good, though, apparently.
Erin's mad at my liner skills.
I thought you were going to be doing a wing liner.
With a pencil?
Maybe.
It's possible, but why would I use a pencil for a wing?
Sure, that would hurt.
We have success. Let's move on to our next hack. Guys, I have this zit right here, so what I'm
massive.
It's not that big. It is. It's massive, and so what I'm gonna need for you to do is pretend like you don't see it. This hair is getting on my nerves.
Laura. I be doing that too.
Everybody does that, I feel.
I just did it to all my hair.
I know you do. I know you do. Okay, so the next hack, they colored the center of the lips white, and then they put lipstick on. Ombre lips. So it's supposed to be like a hack to get really easy ombre lips. Erin, you want to do this one with me, or you want me to just do it?
You can do it.
Thanks.
No problem.
So I have this white liner. This one is from Smashbox. It's their white gel liner in blank.
Blank.
All right. And I'm just going to do this. This looks like I need chapstick. Okay, so then they took a deeper colored pinky mauve lipstick and they applied it. They applied it like on the center, like on the sides, I mean.
You know, this could be a very cool lipstick trick, though. Kind of looks like a butterfly.
Thank you, Erin.
No problem. I like your little butterfly lips.
We're almost there. Oh my god, it's kind of ombre, isn't it?
It is.
Oh my god, it kind of sort of worked. I'm like joking on their hacks while they're all working.
It worked.
Yeah, I think it worked.
It worked.
What do you think, Erin?
It worked. Guys, it really worked. I hate the noises you're making.
Stop it. Let me make my noises.
It worked though. Your lips look good.
I think it actually kind of worked. Like, is like this my favorite lip look ever? No, but like it worked. Like the hack worked.
Pinkalicious. It looks good though.
Guys, comment down below. Tell me, would you ever actually do this?
No.
I don't know. It doesn't look terrible. Like, it's not like shocking. Like, it doesn't look like, oh, your lips look crazy. Like, it actually works. So we are 2 for 2 right now with the 5-minute hacks, and I'm a little shooky because I didn't expect any of this to work out.
Me either.
Here, like,
Look at your ombre lips.
well.
Looks like you got a darker lip and then a lighter lip.
Mm-hmm. So, voila! This is a win. So we're going to move on now to our next hack. By the way, I know some of you might be wondering, this is called Graduation Day by Huda Beauty. Huda! In case you wanted some. So for the next hack, it was truly like the craziest video I've ever watched. It was like, eating food? No, I shouldn't be eating food. And then it was like, I'll just draw on abs instead of work out. And so then I was like, well, all right. Sounds good to me. So
Sounds good.
Eryn's willing to be the model for this.
Draw me my abs.
So we're going to try it out now. We have cream contour. All right, so I think that...
Guys.
Don't do this. Isn't that how they go, right? And then you... like that.
Daggum sick.
Yeah!
Don't mess with me.
Woo! Okay,
What are my
I'm gonna
skinny
blend.
little arms? Yeah.
Guys, this is for sure what you want to do this summer for Hot Girl Summer. This is literally... I'm trying to make sure we contour and blend.
I hate this.
Oh, this isn't blend. Here, this is a tickle. Okay, well, guys.
Make sure you get something that actually blends.
Oh my god, it kind of looks like in a weird way. Hold on, I'm going to add some of this in. It'll help.
Oh, look at the maps move. There goes. There goes. Laura, what is it?
It won't blend. Hold on, we're having trouble blending. I'm not done yet. I'm really going to make this work. We're going to add moisturizer to like thin it out.
Guys.
Look how natural that looks.
I have never been so done. It looks like something's on me. Like
It looks like your stomach's dirty. It honestly, Eryn, from like a glance, it looks like you have a 6-pack. I swear, like if you glance, it looks like you're ripped.
ew, my little skinny.
Okay, well, look at this. It looks like you have an ass. I won't say that this hack works because this, girl, come on now. I've contoured like the boob area a little bit before, and that's more doable.
Get me a makeup.
This is not the move, guys.
It's not the God.
Why are you using my arm? Also, don't do it on a ticklish person.
Yeah, that's a mess.
All right, Eryn, you look great. Thank you for being our ab model today. Okay, guys, for our next crazy 5-minute hack, if you have a dirty brush or just a brush with too much eyeshadow on it, don't worry about cleaning it. Just use duct tape to clean your brush.
Makes a lot of sense, right?
So what we're going to do, Eryn, let me see your hand. Hold your hand up like this. We're going to put the tape around it. And then you're going to use it like a palette. And then you clean
This is
the brush. But here's the thing. This is literally only taking a little, like, look at my brush. Girl, get out the soap and water because this is so silly.
it would take less time to just wash it.
It would take less time to wash it.
And it would actually be clean.
Yeah, this brush is not clean. This is so crazy. And not only this, like, this would only work if you just put too much eyeshadow on your brush. But if you did that, you could literally just tap your brush. You don't have to, like, use tape. But, you know, if you wanted to try this to get the excess product off your brush, go for it. But I don't necessarily recommend it. So as you can see, it did remove most of the excess product because nothing's coming off. So,
So
it kind of worked. It kind of worked.
It's just silly.
It's silly and I don't really recommend it. But it did kind of work. So if you get in a pickle where you're traveling or something and you need the tape, there you go.
Go for it.
So for our next hack, it involves a jumbo felt tip liner. So we have this one by Elle. What we're gonna do is, they say if your liner's dried out, which I actually don't think this one is. See, it's not dried out, but they say if it is, just pop the top out, flip it over, and stick it back in. I don't actually know if that's gonna work. I just like feel like it's not. However, I felt that way about all of these hacks, and they kind of have worked. So we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna take tweezers and pull the top of this out and try to flip it over. I feel like I'm about to destroy I'm about to mess up my eyeliner.
Gara, you can say goodbye to this.
I want to. Alrighty, I have my tweezers.
What?
Now what?
You stick it back in.
Yeah, but how am I supposed to do my eyeliner with a blunt tip?
No, and then you flip it back over.
Yeah.
Oh my lordy. So you go doop doop, maybe probably give it a shake, and then flip it back over. The only thing is this wasn't really dried out, but gosh, that did come out as easy as they said it would.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Guys, this worked.
I know. Oh my gosh. I think I should do eyeliner just for...
Yes.
Right?
Do it. Do it.
Did a full 180.
Bye.
Alrighty, we have eyeliner on, so we're
It's
gonna...
popping.
It's popping, girl.
Popping.
So we're gonna move on to our next hack, and this one's pretty cool. It's gonna be a little experiment. So they said if you take an actual foundation powder and add a face cream to it, it will become an actual foundation. So we're gonna try that out today.
Let's see.
So for the foundation powder that we have today, we're gonna be using the Laura Mercier Smooth Finish Foundation Powder. So it's not supposed to be like a mineral powder or a setting powder, it's supposed to be an actual foundation powder. So I got this one. Because this isn't a loose foundation powder, we're gonna have to scrape some out and put it in this little jar, and then we're gonna put some face cream on top of it.
Girl, scrape it off. Scrape it off.
Scrape, scrape. Guys, it's taken a little piece of my soul scratching this powder like this. Like, how terrible is that?
It's so sad.
It's like sad, you know? Show them how much we have, huh?
I don't want it to fall.
I think that's more than enough. So now I'm gonna take this primer moisturizer. This is like a white cream for the face. And we're gonna add some in, and then I'm gonna mix it on up. Ooh.
Ew.
All right, guys, so this is what it looks like foundation, though. I gotta
does.
say, it actually looks like foundation. This is our mixture.
Looks great.
My hand's so messy, but I'll swatch a little bit right here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, that's a really thin foundation, though. That's like a BB cream. I feel like we've tried something similar before, and it's turning out to be really pinky and, like, pale. Come on, girl.
All right. I'll take this one.
She's taking it for the team. We're just gonna try a little bit. Actually, this would be a really pretty BB cream on you.
It feels really nice and soft.
Yeah, I mean, like, show them.
Oh, wow. You
Yeah.
don't even see it.
Look at that. Wow, that actually works.
Baby, this
It's
works.
not quite as thin as I thought it would be. It's actually really pretty on you. Yeah.
Did this just work?
I think this just worked really well.
Did this just work?
Let's put a little on your other side, so...
Pan's gonna be scraping out all your powders.
All my powders are going to be hit pan. So I'm just going to blend it out. Oh my gosh, it looks really pretty.
It does look pretty.
Look at your face.
Look at it.
Wow.
Guys, this actually just worked.
So if you are in a pickle or you want to create your own foundation, I would say give it a go. I mean, maybe don't use as much powder as I use. Because, girl, you're going to be out of powder quick.
You are. But it
worked.
Eat the plant.
Okay, for our next and final hack, we are going to be using natural aloe as our brow gel. So this is supposed to work really well.
This is so dramatic.
It is. I wish she would stand up like this. She wants to stand up. I need to get like a little something for her. She's leaning.
I'll just hold her 24/7.
Anyways, this is going to be a little devastating because I do have to break a little piece. I have multiple aloe plants, so I mean, like, I'm not going to be that heartbroken, but I do have to just clip off a little end of it for us to use the gel. So we're going to go ahead and just doop. And by the way, my whole life, like my mom is like such a cook and she always had aloe plants because when she would burn herself with grease or cooking, she would always just go get aloe and put it on there and like that, it would soothe it. So aloe is used for so many things.
Aloe is great.
Yeah, these plants are really handy. But I'm going to try it on my brow, so I'm going to take this one for the team.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, you're welcome. And by the way, whenever you break aloe off, I don't know if you could tell, like this piece has already been broken off at the tip. It just kind of dries up and then the plant keeps growing. It doesn't like kill the whole limb. As you can see here, we have our aloe inside the plant. We're just going to apply that onto our, oh my God.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of aloe. Okay, my brow's pretty coated in aloe. So then we just, oh my God, guys, it's working.
Oh my God.
It's kind of working. Oh my God, it's like working better than brow gel.
No way.
Look at my brow.
It is.
Oh my gosh, I have aloe.
Guys, Laura, you come back.
My plants are all destroyed.
Sorry, Laura, I need some good brow gel, honey.
Girl, we were out of brow gel. I just went ahead and used all your plants. They're like down to nubs.
Poor plant.
Wow, this works like a charm. My God. Oh my God, this is like better than brow gel. I can't make this up. Oh, wow. All right. Well, that was a win. So if you're getting look at my brow.
These people be getting real creative.
That is so crazy. And honestly, guys, I used just the tiniest bit of aloe and I can feel it drying already. So that was amazing. All right, guys, that's it for today's video.
Thank you guys so much for watching us do these crazy hacks.
What was your hack you liked the most?
I think the BB cream.
BB cream foundation?
Yes.
I think mine was definitely the aloe brows.
I don't know, man.
It was really amazing.
Look how good.
Look at my brows.
Dadgum.
Wow.
That worked, y'all.
So pretty good. I'm actually shocked that majority of these worked out. Like, I can't believe it. I don't recommend the ab one. I think that one's so crazy. And like, what else was stupid, Eryn?
The tape.
The tape one was a little silly. But the rest actually works. So if you want to try them out at home, go for it. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe before you leave. And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye, guys.